Each spoon. Yes. She makes the coffee. Now the third one. The cold drink.
इसको शाहरुख Which class? एक बार हम क्या ये क्या
Out, out, jump, out.
मैं कह रहा हूँ 4 में करके हो रहा है बढ़िया हो जाएगा
वैसे ही बोल लो यार
तो यार सुनो वो ऐड होता रहेगा कोई सब्सक्राइब होता है
क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग क्या कर
Okay, just us three will play. I have to go speak. Which one? जैकेट नहीं लाया ना
सागर पानी ले बाजौसा जुलम हो जाए सागर पानी भर बाजौसा नजर लग जाए नजर लग जाए ओसा जुलम हो जाए सागर पानी भर बाजौसा नजर गोरियाए मुझा मानू वीरर मुमन्नूर मजरे गोरिया मुझा मानू वीरर मुमन्नूर मजरे
Thank you, Dr. Apoor and Jyoti. The next guest, I'll call Dr. Sanjay Majumdar. Call you next. Yeah, don't love. Yeah, she's here. Yeah, she's here. Okay. Dr. Sanjay Majumdar has come from Punjab and he's a practicing doctor in Punjab, please.
Hello. This is my wife Soma and I think I'll get the kids.
Hello. So I am called as Bakri in school. I'll tell you the reason why. Probably I was the first person who had a beard.
Hello, I'm Shoma. I'm a physical therapist working in Punjab.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. I'll call the next guest, Sanjeev Nanda. Sanjeev. Aja. Sanjeev Nanda is a practicing chartered accountant in Delhi.
Good evening, guys. Sanjeev Nanda. I was called Giraffe in school because of my height when I used to play football. My wife Anita, she's an electronic engineer, but now she's more of an homemaker. And I have two daughters. One is not here because she's studying for her 10th. Her name is Nikita. The younger one's name is
Navya.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Sanjeev. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, you should give the hand here. Next guests come from far away is Piyush Tandon. I'm first calling the people who have come from far away. Piyush, your wife and your child. पहले आ गए. Yeah, come on.
Hi everybody, I'm Piyush, my wife Shubhra, daughter Diksha and Devansh. And here I'll just like to say one very interesting thing. Probably in the entire group I am one of those very few who passed out or finished Xavier's at class 10. Plus 2 I did from Delhi. But still the group has been so good that we have been in touch throughout. So kudos and great job done here. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Piyush. Thanks. The next guest I call is come from Delhi, Rajeshwar Putalia. And your children, please, if you can find them. थोड़ी देर के लिए बच्चों को बुला लो. Yeah, Rajeshwar Putalia has come from Delhi, and he is going to tell about himself.
I think first of all, great job done yaar. Pankaj, Anuj, Atul, Neeraj, brilliant yaar. What great arrangement. And that's my son shouting somewhere. Okay. Aja. Tell about yourself. Yeah, he looks smaller, but he's zameen ke andar zyada hai, this one. ये सारी जमीन से बाहर है. That's why she's tall. Okay, that's Nikita. She's in the 10th standard. That's Devashish, who's in the 8th. That's my wife, Minnie. I'm in Delhi. I work for a company, Apple Computers. And we've just enjoyed this. This couldn't have been better. I think that's something that I keep saying, but this is brilliant. And it's wonderful to meet everybody after a quarter of a century. 25 years sounds a little too small, but quarter of a century actually. We've gone through almost 1/4 of a century without seeing a lot of these guys, and it feels as if we've been thrown out of class every day, like the usual business. So, see you guys. Have a great time. Okay, my wife, as usual, wants to say something.
Hi. Actually, this is just too perfect. I don't think there's anything beyond this. It's too beautiful. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks for giving the thanks, Rajeshwar. It's basically everybody who comes who makes us successful. It's not us.
Guys did a great job, yeah. Superb.
Another one of our loving batchmates who's come all the way from Delhi and driven down in the morning, Ravinder Singh Badesra. Ravinder, your wife. Ravinder, he was affectionately known as Father Buddy. I don't know why they called him Father Buddy, but it was a name which stuck. He's with the CRPF and now it's the Special Protection Group for the Prime Minister.
Hi friends, my introduction has already been given by Dr. Pankaj. I'm Ravinder Singh. I'm with the Prime Minister of India Security at present. I'm in Delhi. My wife Bharti, she is advocate and working in a law firm there. My son Amit, he is studying in 9th standard in Air Force Bal Bharti School. He is a cricketer also. He just represented Jaipur district this time in the cricket. And
Thanks, Ravinder. Thanks. Thank you, Ravinder. Another loving guy who's come from very far up, Hemant Bhargav, has come from USA. Hemant Bhargav, please. There's another guy who's flown all the way from USA for attending this meeting. Here you are.
सिर्फ भाई लोगों को मिलने. Okay, I'm Hemant. My wife Rashna. She used to be Sharma before. Now she's Bhargav. And my son Sawan. I have a business over there in New York. I'm in jewelry business. And actually, anybody who comes to New York. Right now, I'm in the heart of the city. Like 5th Avenue and between 5th and 6th on 46th Street, which is known as Diamond District over there. So anybody comes over there. और राजेश्वर भुटालिया को तो फ्री वो बोल रहा है पीछे से मैं वो सबका सोच के मैं वहां पर बैठा हूँ. But what I want to say is my son, अभी मैं इसको थोड़ा लंबा करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैंने कभी बास्केटबॉल खेला नहीं, ये बास्केटबॉल खेलता है. हॉकी के मेरे पार्टनर पीछे खड़े हैं, वो कहता है मैं हॉकी नहीं खेलना चाहता. That's about it. But one more thing, we really wanted to see you all and hopefully we'll meet again. Thank you.
You got a lot of addresses. You want a free jewelry show in New York or free jewels, you can go to Hemant anytime. कभी भी New York जाए, you want free diamonds, he's there. Next, very loving guy from Delhi, Colonel Bhanu Pratap Singh. Tell you very special about him. The way he played football and hockey is great. Not only that, he was the Golden Sword of Honor in National Defence Academy. One of the very rare academies, the best cadet, the best officer of the National Academy. He is the Golden Sword of Honor, Bhanu Pratap.
Thank you, Pankaj. Good evening, folks. It's indeed a proud privilege to be within course-mates and school batchmates long after 25 years. It gives, we've got very, very fond memories of the school, and I would say, after having come over here and having met friends after such a long time, it's given a very, very good feeling out here. I joined the army after having done my 11th, and probably me and another friend of mine, that is Jayakishan Menon, we were the first ones to have joined a professional stream post 11th. Probably हम पढ़ाई से भागना चाहते थे, so post 11th we were the ones who went on to NDA, and I have met a lot of friends within the army of St. Xavier's, and I would say that all officers who have done schooling from this school have done very well for themselves in the defense forces. She's my wife Sangeeta. She's teaching at Delhi Public School, Dwarka. My children have not been able to make up from Delhi. My daughter is in 10th, probably bored, and we have left our son behind to give her company and to be together only. So I would like to compliment the management once again for having done a wonderful job, and it's been a wonderful evening, and I'm sure the balance of the 2 days also will be as good as this. We have seen number of parties in army, gone around the countryside, and I would say it's been one of the very good arrangements which you have seen. All courtesy these people who have been working hard in the background. Thank you.
What's your pet name?
I had number of pet names. One very fondly called was Daku. That is primarily because all of you are aware, hostel ke andar you are basically looking around where to get stuff to eat, etc. And day scholars वगैरह के लिए we used to target कि आज किसके school bag से which is the tiffin we are going to take it out today. And many a times we used to tell friends if you want to have your lunch, you might as well get 2 packets. Otherwise, tomorrow we are intent pinching yours only.
Thank you, Banu. Thank you. Another guy who's come from far away is a very loving chap, affectionately known as Butterball, Suranjan Roy Chaudhary. Where is Suranjan? Suranjan is the most sturdiest goalkeeper we had. As long as he was at the goals, no goals could pass through. You can see why. He was our class.
So I guess it's lovely seeing everybody here, and I just want to join the chorus of thanking Pankaj and Neeraj and Anuj and all the other organizers. It's wonderful to be here. My name, is not Butterball. That's what they used to call me. Uski badi lambi kahani hai, which I won't get into right now. But I basically finished from Xavier's, and then I did my engineering from ITBHU, and then went to the US and went to graduate school there, and I work basically. I'm a biomedical engineer now. I've been doing that for about, I don't know, the last 15, 16 years. And I'm Inakshi's husband, and I'm going to let you tell her.
Hi, my name is Inakshi, and I met Suranjan in the US in the cornfields of Iowa, as he keeps telling me. I had to drag him there. But I basically trained as a counselor, and now I have a small publishing company, and we do bilingual children's books. So that's kind of my new venture. And it's really wonderful to see all the people Suranjan grew up with. It's amazing to see that. All the stories I've heard, I get to connect the faces with the names. That's really nice.
Thanks. Thank you, Suranjan. Another one of our loving friends who's come from Chandigarh, Dr. Sudhir Saxena. Anyone with a heartache and he is the guy to contact with. Sudhir. Sudhir and Dr. Smita. Dr. Smita.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, after passing out in 1982 from Xavier's, I did my MD, MBBS and MD from Jaipur Medical College. Then went on to do my DM from PGI Chandigarh. After that we left for Australia. I did my training in angioplasties in Australia. Now we have come back and we are settled finally and fully in Chandigarh. That is the city beautiful of the country. And she is Smita. She was my batchmate in MBBS. And we have been married for now how many years? 18. Okay. And she is Sharmista. She is in class 10 and my son is somewhere around. He is in class 6. About the school, I would just add a couple of things. I wasn't a front bencher in the school. I was never a front bencher in the school. I wasn't too good in sports either, like Bhanu and probably Bhutalia or some of these guys. Yeah, I was called Pandit because I used to speak and get good marks in Hindi. So I was called a Pandit. I'll not tell you the other nickname which was given to me because many of the guys are going to feel embarrassed about it. I was called Tatia because I had started losing my hair quite early. But when I see these guys today, I still have got a good amount of hair left. And all these guys have become baldies, total baldies. This is $1 million question, boss. Anyway, I would just like to add a couple of couplets from Harivansh Rai Bachchan's poem. These 25 years have just passed away. जीवन की आपाधापी में कब वक्त मिला कुछ देर कहीं पर बैठ कभी यह सोच सकूं जो किया कहा माना उसमें क्या भला बुरा. This couplet was written almost 50 years ago. But in today's life, I think we are leading a life we just don't have time. I would just go on to add a little bit to this. The verse says, जिस दिन मेरी चेतना जगी, the day I became conscious about the surroundings, जिस दिन मेरी चेतना जगी, मैंने खुद को पाया इस जीवन के रेले में। हर एक लगा था किसी बुलावे में, हर एक लगा था अपनी अपनी दे ले में। कुछ देर रहा हक्का बक्का बहुचक्का सा, आ गया कहां, क्या करूं यहां, अब मैं जाऊं किस जा। फिर एक तरफ से आया ही तो रेला सा, मैंने भी बहन किया उस रेले में। जीवन की आपाधापी में कब वक्त मिला, कुछ देर कहीं पर बैठ कभी यह सोच सकूं, जो किया कहा माना उसमें क्या भला बुरा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thanks Sudhir for a wonderful couplet. Thanks. स्मिता के बारे में बताओ प्लीज एंड टेल अबाउट योर डॉटर। यस
गुड गुड, बचा लिया तूने, बचा लिया यार, आज रात को तो टाटिया ही हो जाता। My wife is a consultant geriatrician. Geriatrics is a new branch which is now coming up in India because India is going to have a growing population in a couple of years. She is a geriatrician. She practices in Chandigarh with me. Sharvishta is in class 10th and my son is in class 6 now. That's about it. You want to add something? Thank you.
Thank you Sudhir. And another guest who's flown from long distance, Sandeep Bhargav's come from England all the way. Sandeep and his wife and his children. Sandeep Bhargav from London.
नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों, आपने इतना स्वागत दिया। जयपुर हमारा घर है, वापस आए हम यहाँ पे, बड़ा खुशी का मौका है। इतने अच्छे लोग मिले हैं हमें और एक कमी है, मेरे पास बाल नहीं है, आप लोगों के पास हैं, उसी में खुशी है। और मेरा नाम तो आप जानते ही हैं और यहाँ से राजस्थान कॉलेज से बीए करके मास्टर्स PhD, कुछ लोग मैं बताता हूँ उसके बारे में। और अब मैं